Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save TikTok without watermark. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Quick tips. Make sure that the video you're trying to download has owner permission to avoid any copyright stuffs. Okay, so go over to your TikTok and then select the video that you want to download without watermark. In my case, I'm just going to download my own video. Now if I just save this video on my device directly like this, it will still have watermark on it. So what we're going to do is copy the link of the video and then go over to your browser and search for Snaptic and click the first link that says snaptic.app and then paste your video link here and tap download. And here you can download in two different links if the first one is not working. And as you can see, it's already downloading my file. After download's finished, go over to your gallery and as you can see the video that we downloaded doesn't have TikTok watermark. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.